Hi there, today I'm going to show you how to do cleaning cycles in an Epson WorkForce WF-2630. Now this is nice and simple, we're done from the printer itself using nothing but this control panel here and the built-in screen. Cleaning cycles push fresh ink through the printer's printhead, hopefully dislodging any dried or congealed ink that might be causing you print quality issues. Before I start, if you have any doubts as to whether a clean is needed, your printer does also have the ability to do nozzle check test pages like this one, which I used to diagnose that there was an issue with the magenta. So if you are unsure and haven't done one yet, I'd recommend checking out our video on nozzle checks before you get started. So with your printer on and ready to print, you need to be on the home screen of the printer, shown by that icon there. If you're not there already, just press this button. And we're going to use the down arrow to get us to setup, and we press OK to go into setup. From here, we go down once and head into maintenance, and the cleaning cycles are the second option down, just past the nozzle check I just mentioned. So we press OK to go into printhead cleaning, and to get started, we press the start button, either of these two here. Now it's worthwhile noting that cleaning cycles like this do use up ink within your ink cartridges and affect the estimated ink levels that you'll be given. So I'd only recommend doing this when you genuinely feel it's necessary, just to save yourself wasting ink. So this will take just a minute. And with the clean complete, you'll be returned to a page like this, which gives you the option to print the nozzle check that I mentioned earlier, just by pressing OK. So I'd recommend doing this to check the quality of your prints, and then you can just go in circles, doing cleans and test pages until you're perfectly happy with the quality of your prints. If, however, you want to skip past that, down and OK to finish. Now I hope you found this video useful. If you have, please do let me know with a like. If there's anything else we can help with, please do let us know in the comments. Otherwise, thank you for watching, and we'll see you next time. Take care. Bye bye.